video tutorial. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to make your raw footage in the grid. So you can see this is great footage and this was the log footage. So I have downloaded this log footage from the internet, and this is the royalty free footage from the Pixabay or something like that, the website. So this is, I'm using this log footage freely for educational purpose, not for commercial purpose. So you can see most of the color grading, the famous application is the most famous and professional grade application is or are Final Cut Pro, the Vinci Resolve and Premiere Pro. The Vinci Resolve especially famous for color grading. So I don't use the Vinci Resolve. So if you know what type of tools make your raw footage turn into the very good quality color grading, so you can use any kind of software. So in this tutorial I'm using the Natron. So you can see here what is Natron. Natron is just alternate to Fusion or Nuke. That is, so you can see here 2.5%, 2.5 version release. So how I can do this work. So you can see here. So let's start what I'm using the Natron. So I have import this file from here. So you can see here this is the log footage and this is the I have downloaded it from, or you can drag and drop directly from here. I have already imported it here. So close this one, and you can see from here what. Enter and change the frame rate 24, and I want to make the same frame rate as the project setting. Project setting was the 24 frame rate, and this frame rate was the same, and this format is 4096 into 2160. So I want to make this footage as a proxy to enable the render more faster than before. So at first select this one, right click, or you can directly from here color space. So I don't use the left panel, so I am using the right click and go to the color ICO and look. So if I deactivate this one, you can see here. So I want to change something from here. First I want to change from linear to linear access, and next one I want to change or you can change the alpha color from Kodak Gold 100. This is the film Kodak Gold 100. This is the actually film grade. Use the film. Kodak Potra 100D, or you can use the Kodak Potra 600 VC. So I don't want to. This is the perfect for turn the log footage into good quality color grade, but I want to use the Agfa this one, because this film has a blue tint, so you can see here. It's okay. So next one, I want to the right click and color, and to use the color grade. Color correct. Zip this file. Make the gamma, scale it down, the gain, scale it down. This is the master preset, and now I want to change the shadow. You can see here I want to change the shadow. To change the shadow, I want to use the shadow. This is the shadow. You can see here the shadow is more bright. So to see here, if I turn the shadow into it, you can see here the shadow is very light, so I want to make this shadow darker, and I want to turn the shadow, make the shadow turn into a blue tint. To make this one, make the shadow into blue tint. Okay, and next one, the mid-tone. And to make this, I want to scale it down the gain. Let's scale it down 0.5. You can see here 180. This is okay. This is the mid-tone. And now I want to play with the highlight. Because you can see here, if I change it to the 2, you can see here this area, the highlight in this area is very highlight. I want to make this highlight in details, turn this highlight into very detail. So highlight gamma, change the gamma 1.447. You can see here if I turn 2.5, no one can understand this highlight, so I have to make this one 1.440. so you can see here, if I change to 1, the highlight is very dull, and the difference between the highlight and shadow, no one can understand the highlight and shadow. So I want to turn this one on to 4.4. so you can see here the shadow and highlight, make the highlight and shadow very separately. So you can see here the very details. This is the main thing. So save this file, and the next one I want to add go to the color and hue and correct, and now I want to play with the hue and correct. So I change the green color a bit down, if I scale it up, see the result. If I scale it down, you can see the result. Next thing, I want to change on the green channel, and I want to scale it down. Okay, and next I want to add dignity from community, because if you to make a community, you have to download the community add-on from the internet. So through community add-on, you can check my Telegram channel to get the this is the community plugin. This is the community plugin. You can download it separately from the internet, or you can get this plugin from our Telegram channel. So to add dignity, change the opacity. can see the result. This is result after grading, and this is the before grading. This is the directly log footage, and this is the final finished footage. This is the footage after grading. You can see the difference. This is a simple method, and this is the very simple note that I'm using to turn this log footage into a good quality color grade footage. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with new tips. Bye bye.